Perkenalkan, nama saya Matius Dero dari kelas M2 angkatan 2023. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan contoh dalam 16 tense menggunakan kata kerja reguler dan irregular. Misalnya, verb work regular, present simple. Contoh kalimat, I work every day. Present continuous, I am working now. Present perfect, I have worked here for 5 years. Present perfect continuous, I have been working all morning. Past simple, I worked yesterday. Past continuous, I was working at Past perfect, I had worked before dinner. Past perfect continuous, I had been working for hours. Future simple, I will work tomorrow. Future continuous, I will be working at 10. Future perfect, I will have worked by noon. Future perfect continuous, I will have been working for 3 hours by noon. Past future simple, I will work if I could. Past future continuous, I would be working if needs. Past future perfect, I would have worked if asked. Past future perfect continuous, I would have been working if necessary. Verb go, irregular. Present simple, I go to school every day. Present continuous, I am going to the market. Present perfect, I have gone to Paris. Present perfect continuous, I have been going there often. Past simple, I went to the party. Past continuous, I was going home. Past perfect, I had gone before they arrived. Past perfect continuous, I had been going to class every day. Future simple, I will go tomorrow. Future continuous, I will be going soon. Future perfect, I will have gone by noon. Future perfect continuous, I will have been going for an hour. Past future simple, I would go if invited. Past future continuous, I will be going if I had time. Past future perfect, I would have gone if possible. Past future perfect continuous, I will have been going to the gym if not busy. Berikut 16 tense contoh. Present simple, contoh kalimatnya, I work, I don't work, do you work, and where do you work. Yang kedua, number 1, present continuous, contoh kalimatnya, I am working, I am not working, are you working, what are you working on. Yang ketiga ada present perfect, contoh kalimatnya yaitu I have worked, I have not worked, I have you worked, where have you worked. Yang keempat present perfect continuous, Contoh kalimatnya, I have been working, I have not been working, I have you been working, how long have you been working. Past simple yang kelima, I work. Contoh kalimatnya, I work, I did not work, I did you work, dan when did you work. Yang keenam ada past continuous. Contoh kalimatnya, I was working, I was not working, were you working, dan why were you working late. Past perfect. Contoh kalimatnya yaitu I had worked, I had not worked, had you worked, where had you worked before. Past perfect continuous. Contoh kalimatnya, I had been working, I had not been working, had you been working, how long had you been working. Yang kesembilan ada future simple. Contoh kalimatnya, I will work, I will not work, will you work, dan when will you work. Future continuous. Contoh kalimatnya, I will be working, I will not be working, will you be working, dan what will you be working on. Yang ke-11 ada future perfect. I will have worked, I will not have worked, will you have worked, dan how long will you have worked. Yang ke-12 ada future perfect continuous. I will have been working, I will not have been working, will you have been working, how long will you have been working. Ke-13 ada past future simple. I work, I work, not work, will you work, dan when will you work. Yang ke-14 ada past future continuous. I will be working, I will not be working, will you be working, where will you be working. Past future perfect. Contoh kelimanya, I will have worked, I will not have worked, would you have worked, why would you have worked here. Past future perfect continuous. Contoh kalimatnya yaitu I will have been working, I will not have been working, would you have been working, how long would you have be working. Berikutnya ada tabel kata tanya, question word arti plus artinya dan kegunaan. Inilah contoh 16 tense. What apa? Kegunaannya yaitu menanyakan benda, kegiatan, atau informasi umum. Contohnya, contoh 16 tense. What do you work on? What were you working on? Berikutnya ada where, di mana, yaitu menanyakan tempat atau lokasi. Contohnya, where do you work, dan where had you worked before. Selanjutnya ada when, kapan. Kegunaannya itu untuk menanyakan waktu. When will you work, when were you working yesterday. Itu contoh kalimatnya. Yang keempat ada why, mengapa. Kegunaannya itu untuk menanyakan alasan. Why are you working late? Contoh kalimatnya. Dan why had you been working so hard? Siapa? Kegunaannya untuk menanyakan orang atau subjek. We work her. We was working with you. Itu contoh kalimatnya. Selanjutnya ada whom, siapa sebagai objek. Kegunaannya yaitu untuk menanyakan siapa sebagai objek dalam kalimat. Whom did you meet at work? Whom have you been working with? Itu contoh kalimatnya. Selanjutnya ada which, yang mana. Kegunaannya yaitu untuk menanyakan pilihan di antara beberapa opsi. Contohnya, which project are you working on? Dan which report had you finished? Selanjutnya ada how, bagaimana. Kegunaannya itu untuk menanyakan cara atau keadaan. Contohnya, how do you work under pressure? Dan how had you solved the problem. Selanjutnya ada how much, berapa banyak tak atau tak terhitung. Kegunaannya yaitu untuk menanyakan jumlah yang tak bisa dihitung dalam bentuk satuan. Contohnya, how much time do you need to work? And how much experience had you gained? Selanjutnya ada how many, berapa banyak. Kegunaannya untuk menanyakan jumlah benda atau hal yang bisa dihitung. Contohnya, how many hours do you walk? Contoh selanjutnya, how many meetings will you attend? Ini ada how long, berapa lama, yaitu digunakan untuk menanyakan durasi atau waktu. Contohnya, how long have you worked here? Kata selanjutnya, how long will you have been? Selanjutnya ada how often, seberapa sering artinya. Digunakan untuk menanyakan frekuensi. Contoh, how often do you work overtime present simple? Selanjutnya ada how often had you been working late? Yang selanjutnya ada how far, seberapa jauh. Kegunaannya untuk menanyakan jarak. Contohnya, how far do you travel to work? And how far had you traveled for work? Selanjutnya ada was, milik siapa, menanyakan kepemilikan. Whose laptop are you using? Whose ID had you presented? What time, jam berapa. Itu digunakan untuk menanyakan waktu spesifik. Contohnya, what time do you start working? What time had you finished your working? Sekian video dari saya ucapkan terima kasih. Every time you smile at me, I feel I'm flying free. You are my amazing love, sent to me from up above. Amazing love I feel inside. You make my heart open wide. Amazing love, so pure and true. I'm so lucky to have you. When you hold my hand so tight, everything feels just right with you. I am never alone. You are my sweetest home. Amazing love I feel inside. You make my heart open wide. Amazing love so pure and true. I'm so lucky have you. No one else could take your place. You light up every day. Amazing love forever stay. Don't ever go away. Amazing love I feel inside. You made my heart open wide. Amazing love so pure and true. I'm so lucky to have you.